Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what.
Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be working for 7 in the morning till 1:30. So and sobrang lamig guys, so ito yung suot ko, nag-double ako, tapos nag boots kasi may snow pa rin siya, nandun pa yung snow. And I already got Gwen her breakfast. It's oatmeal with strawberry Nesquik with milk on it, and then she got her mozzarella cheese sticks, and then cashew nuts, and her animal crackers, chocolate animal crackers. And then I'm gonna make David's coffee. And Gwenny is there. She's already awake. Gwenny! So this is David's coffee. She already put the Snickers. What do they call that? Let's show you guys. This one, it's Coffee Mate Snickers. The flavor. He said it's really good. So yeah. I just put in here. And then I'm gonna put some water. And then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And then here, this is my work bag guys. I got my food in here. So I got my meal 2, and meal 3 here, and then my water, and then my hot sauce, my Tabasco. That's what I bring at work. And did you know guys that I have this bag since 2012? Yep. This bag already traveled Qatar. I brought this bag when I went to Qatar to work, and then now here in the US. And then my cousin got me this bag. She gave me this one, so yeah, I like this one. It's so matibay. And then there she goes. What happened? Okay guys, so it's ready. It's already hot. So now I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of coffee. I think 1.5 will be alright. And then that's it. You don't have to add sugar guys because the creamer is already sweet. Here it is guys. And what do you want, girl? It's empty. It's no more. You don't eat that one today. You're gonna eat oatmeal. Yeah. You want oatmeal? Chocolate? Strawberry oatmeal? Look guys, there's still snow outside like crazy. It's all white in here. So, hi guys! Ngayon guys, mag-workout na ako. And kanina, pag tapos ko mag-work, pumunta kami ng Walmart, nag-grocery kami. And then, after nun, pumunta kami ng bank. And then, umuwi na kami doon sa bahay. And then, pagkatapos ko ilagay yung mga groceries, natulog ako kasi sobrang pagod. And then, ngayon, pagkagising, kumain ako. And now, ngayon, mag-workout ako. And I'm gonna drink my pre-workout. So, I'm gonna try this one guys. Kakabili ko lang kanina sa Walmart. Flavor niya is blueberry lemonade. It has 30 servings. Try natin. Nag-order ako ng pre-workout supplement, guys, sa Walmart online app. Kaso nga lang kinansel ko kasi ang tagal dumating. So bumili na lang ako dun sa store kanina. And then shoot. Try natin. And then the rest, guys, lagyan ko siya ng BCAA. What's wrong? Come here. Yuck, guys. Come here. Come here. What happened? You want cereal? Sobrang asim. You want cereal?